going to see an intro to programming using Android. We can use Android phone to learn programming and develop software. Not some fun steps, we can build real world software projects such as websites, apps, machine learning softwares, artificial intelligence, and many more. We can run Python, JavaScript, C, C++, and many other languages in Android. JavaScript is running. Running Python in Android. C and C++. And much more is coming. Don't be afraid. This is just a intro to programming using Android. I will cover the topics detailed in upcoming videos. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. We can use React, Angular, Vue, and Django, TensorFlow, and many more frameworks and libraries. Vue is a JavaScript framework for building front end for websites. React is a JavaScript library used for developing websites. We can use React Native to build Android apps. Angular is also a JavaScript framework to build front end. Okay. We can also use Django. This is just the intro video. I will cover the topics in the upcoming videos. Here the Django server is running. Django is a Python framework for building websites. Here it comes Django. We can use Node. Node is JavaScript for backend. See, Node is running. We can use Python and many more languages in Android. Learning how to program using Android helps in many ways because you can't carry a laptop or PC everywhere. If you found this video valuable or useful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. This is the demo website I deployed. You can also visit this website in your browser. Using this link. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. We can also deploy the websites for free. I have deployed a Django website demo website in Heroku.